till after I say action and wait. 2 seconds. Action.
Hey, Solomon, we're going to do a one-handed 18-yard shot, one-handed with the cigar. With the Explorer 2, Charter Arms Explorer 2, finest, American-made, 22 auto, money can buy. All right. Safety first. That's jam number 1 right there. Come around and get a look at this one. It's like a failure to feed, I think. Well, that's a failure to eject, that's the spent one. And that one's going to have to be pried out of the chamber. Shot number 2. Finest pistol ever made in America, right here. Make it all the way through? Yes, it did. Was that 4 consecutive shots? That's the best we've ever done. That's great. Let's see how we did. Hold every one of them. Hold every one of them off, almost every one of them off to the left. That one's at least center line. I was aiming for that. That's way out there. This gun has about the poorest balance of anything I've ever held in my hand. It's going to be tough to shoot one-handed. Alright, well, thanks for watching our last Explorer 2 video. It's all over and saying bye.